It's my distinct privilege to invite to the stage our chief guest, President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Mr. Asif Ali Zardari.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Excellency, Ambassador, Excellencies, members of the diplomatic community, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. It is a great pleasure to join you tonight in celebrating the National Day of the Russian Federation. This event is a proud reflection of Russia's national independence, its rich heritage, and the spirit of its people. On behalf of the government and the people of Pakistan, and on my own behalf, I extend my warmest congratulations to you. His Excellency the President Putin, to Ambassador Korov, and the people of Russia. I have found memories of my 2011 visit to Russia, and I want to acknowledge the important role President Putin has played in bringing our two countries closer. Over the years, Pakistan and Russia have worked steadily to build relationships grounded in mutual respect, trust, and interest. The foundations of this relationship were also sustained by the vision and statesmanship of Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who played a fundamental role in developing Pakistan ties with the former Soviet Union. The legacy was carried forward by Shahid Mohtamma Benazir Bhutto, the first woman Prime Minister of Pakistan, whose leadership helped renew engagements and expand cooperation at a time of profound global transformations. It was later carried forward by my son Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Pakistan's youngest foreign minister, who continued the tradition through active diplomatic engagements. Regular engagements between the ministers and senior officials reflect the positive monument of our relationship. As Foreign Minister Lavrov observed earlier this year, this is the most positive phase in Pakistan-Russian relations in many decades. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan values Russia as a global power and a trusted partner. We share a commitment to sovereign equality, dialogue, stronger voice of Global South, the principal guide, our cooperation in multilateral forums. Our cooperation continues to grow across energy, industry, agriculture, and education. Nearly 1,300 Pakistanis students are studying in Russia today, many on Russian scholarship, serving as a bridge between our societies. We look forward to continue high-level engagements to further strengthen economic cooperation and realize the full potentials of Pakistan-Russia relations. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate this occasion, I reaffirm Pakistan's commitment to further strengthening the important partnerships for benefit of our people and for peace, stability, and prosperity of our region and beyond. May the Russian Federation continue to prosper. May the bonds of friendship between Pakistan and Russia grow over the ever stronger. Long live Pakistan-Russian friendship and relationship. Thank you.
Sitting in the first row, и послов стран СНГ to come up on stage to join the ambassador of the Russian Federation and the
सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी रशियन फेडरेशन के कौमी दिन के मुनासबत से तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि रूस के कौमी दिन की तकरीब में शिरकत मेरे लिए बाइस से खुशी है। इस वक्त तकरीब में केक काटा जा रहा है। ये मनाज़िर हम आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं। कुछ ही लम्हात कबल सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी ने खिताब भी किया। उन्होंने कहा कि हुकूमत पाकिस्तान और अवाम की जानिब से रूसी सदर और अवाम को कौमी दिन पर मुबारकबाद पेश करते हैं। इक़्तिसादी ताउन मज़ीद मुस्तहकम करने के लिए कोशिश है। अवामी वफाद दुनिया में अमन इस्तेहकाम और खुशहाली के लिए अहम शराकतदारी को मजीद मजबूत बनाना चाहते हैं। दुआ है कि रशियन फेडरेशन तरक्की और खुशहाली की नई मनासिल तय करे।
और एक ब्रेक लेते हैं, जिसके बाद हाजिर होते हैं न्यूज़ हेडलाइंस के साथ।
आप देखते रहिए पाकिस्तान टेलीविजन न्यूज़।
दुरुस्त हर वक्त बर वक्त।